we're here at the wheelie lot. Another wheelie video for you guys. First thing first, just hand position. You want 1 finger or 2 fingers on the clutch. You don't want to go 4 fingers. You ever put all 4? Don't put all 4, because you will literally fly off. You're gonna go like this and let go, and just your hand's gonna fly off. You don't need to go like this. And then you don't do that. You don't do that. You go like this. It's just a little tap. It's like that. It's just boom, and that's it. And you're in the air. So you're rolling. Now, first step is going to be just being able to get it off the ground. You want to get the bike off the ground. Okay, once you can do that, next thing you want to work on is your rear brake. So every time you pop that bike up, you hit the rear brake. You got to feel, like I'm tapping my rear brake right now, and I can feel that it's stopping the bike. Ready? Tap, 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 tap. I'm stopping, right? So I know my rear brake works. And that's exactly what you want to do when you're wheeling. So I'm going to go up, tap to put it down. I didn't let go of the throttle. My throttle hand was the same on super low throttle, right? I wasn't giving it full gas, but I was still on the throttle, and I pushed the brake and I went down. So I know that the rear brake puts me down. Let's try it again. Whee! Tap, tap. See? It puts me lower and lower. Let me show you guys the knee knock.